Welcome to Camaraderie Health Agency, Medicare Corner. Join me as I dive into the secrets of the QMB Medicare saving program to maximize my Social Security benefits. Can I unlock all the hidden gems? The Qualified Medicare Beneficiary (QMB) program is a game changer for those looking to make the most out of their Social Security benefits. It's a little-known program that can help you save money on Medicare costs, and I'm excited to share its secrets with you. Many people struggle to understand how Social Security benefits and Medicare work together. Some think that signing up for Medicare will automatically maximize their Social Security benefits, but that's not the case. Others believe that they're not eligible for certain programs because of their income level. These misconceptions can lead to missed opportunities and a lower overall benefit. Another challenge people face is navigating the complex web of rules and regulations surrounding Social Security and Medicare. It's easy to get overwhelmed by the paperwork and technical jargon, causing many to miss out on benefits they're entitled to. I've seen it happen to friends and family members, and it's frustrating to think about the money that could have been saved. Understanding what's available and how to claim it can make a huge difference in your financial well-being. For instance, did you know that some people might be eligible for premium-free Medicare Part A and Part B? It's surprising how many people aren't aware of this. The QMB Medicare program, or Medicare Savings Program, is designed to help low-income individuals and families pay for Medicare premiums, deductibles, and copays. To be eligible, you must be eligible for Medicare Part A and have a limited income. The program can be a lifesaver for those struggling to make ends meet. One of the best things about the QMB program is that it can help you save money on Medicare costs. For example, if you're eligible, you might not have to pay Medicare Part B premiums. This can add up to significant savings over time. The program also covers deductibles and copays, which can be a huge help when you're on a tight budget. So, here's a crucial tip. If you're on Medicaid and have Medicare, you might be eligible for the QMB program without even realizing it. Check your eligibility and see if you can get help with those extra costs. You might be surprised at how much you can save. By taking advantage of the QMB program, you can free up more money in your budget to do the things you love. Whether that's traveling, spending time with loved ones, or simply enjoying your retirement, it's worth exploring. To recap, the QMB Medicare program can help you maximize your Social Security benefits by saving you money on Medicare costs. By understanding the eligibility criteria and benefits, you can make informed decisions about your financial future. If you have questions about the QMB program or other financial topics, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you and help in any way I can. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more financial tips and tricks to help you make the most of your money. You are invited to subscribe to Camaraderie Health Agency YouTube channel or go to www.camaraderiehealthagency.com or call 224-433-5754.